Wake up every morning to perpetual summer and views that go forever. Enjoy listening to the sounds of the surf. Live among the treetops in old VEDRA condominiums. This dune-side unit is filled with natural light and has an open floor plan. The combination dining and living room has a wood tongue and groove ceiling, a large fireplace, and views of the ocean. The galley kitchen has newer appliances, a pass-through with a breakfast bar for casual dining. The master suite is quite large with a huge whirlpool bath and walk-in shower. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a laundry room. Play tennis on the private hard courts, cool off in the community pool, and take quiet walks on the beach. Live the beach life at 145 Sea Hammock Lane. Call Kim Martin Fisher or Jennifer Martin Faulkner for more information or showing appointments.